Hi friends, welcome back to Mishika and Mama's world. We visited a new destination for staycation near Bhopal in the month of October. This place is Shambhala Resort on the Bhopal-Indore bypass road. So let's see what all is there to explore in this resort. And do comment if you like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Hi friends, today we are in Shambhala Resort. Let's explore it. This is the tour of it. Come and see.
This is the entrance of the Shambhala. Let's go in and see what Mishika is doing. Hello Mishika. Okay, so there's a small pond over here.
Ducks are there. Ducks are there.
Ducks are there? I can hear them but I can't see them. So it's a nice place to sit. It's a big garden over here. Oh, okay.
Geese and
Okay, there are small rabbits also, Mishika. Bunnies. And even the pigeon you can see, they all are having food together. So cute. They won't come out.
yes, that they think we are giving them food.
Mishika, there's a slide over here. We'll come and explore it later.
I want to do it.
So this is a nice place near Bhopal and you can check it out in our video. This is a place for kids to play. And there's a zip line. Mishika is having fun, enjoying and exploring this new place and she's loving it.
I don't think so I can do the zip line.
Why?
It looks easy.
Come, let's go and check it out what's there. Mishika, see, Papa is doing. Mishika is also trying. Hello. You enjoying?
Yes.
See, there's a big farm. A massive farm behind this. Full green. It's nice. This is the end of the place. Here again there's seating arrangement. And there's a swimming pool. Okay. Check it out. Go, go, go. Wow, nice place. Lovely swimming pool. Na? There's a kiddie pool also. And there's a adult pool also together. Maybe next time when we come, we can stay here.
Yeah.
So we thought of checking out the rooms as well. More like a 5-star hotel. Nicely done. So we will feel everything. So you can come to this place and you can even stay here. They have rooms available and they are even making more rooms because the response is very good.
Yeah.
Amenities over here, like you can play the carrom board, there are books, library is there, and you can sit here. Indoors also you can sit and have food.
ये वॉशरूम है तो सेकंड बालकनी है
Balcony is there.
एक बालकनी है और एक बालकनी है
Full view of the
And you can do cycling also.
yeah. You can do that bike riding.
Oh, and the chairs.
And so it's sunny also. This side से भी है balcony. balcony over here. And it's very sunny also, right, Mishika? You can enjoy the summer and winters both over here. So we have only 4 rooms and 3 rooms are up. One more room over here. दिखा दीजिए क्या रूम है ये? Small room, nail cut. Mishika, go check it out. This is a small cozy room. This side is the washroom or balcony?
Balcony.
Oh wow, nice, yeah. Balcony is pretty big. Lovely. Next time we are coming to Bhopal and we are staying here, okay? Come. Oh wow, lovely. The room size is small, but the washroom and the balcony is pretty big. Come, Bitu.
Let's play hide and seek once. You have to find me. Okay? You count. Now I'm behind.
चलो आ जाओ बेटा. Come. So if you are coming with your family and friends, you can just come here. You can see the entire view from here. They have farm also. Things for kids also to do. What is that? And you can see the entire Shambhala from here. There are many huts where you can sit and have your lunch and dinner and enjoy the view, enjoy the ambience. Overall, it's a very nice resort and it's just 10 kilometers from Bhopal. And you can definitely come to this place. It's beautifully decorated, beautifully designed, and the ambience is itself very, very nice. So do come to this place and let us know in the comment section if you like this video.
Hope you like this video. Bye. Like, share and subscribe.